DIY babes! Thank you so much for joining me for this project. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need to get started. I know you'll love creating this piece just as much as I did. I created this kit and many more alongside the great designers at Cousin DIY just for you. Make sure to check out my full line of jewelry making products.
Don't tell me that it's all for nothing. You know that you had me from the start. We can run and fight, lose it all tonight if you say you're right. So tell me if you're feeling something. You know I hate living in the dark.
Thanks for creating with me.